Oh my. I went to a lost luggage auction to see if I can make a profit. I'm trying out this side hustle so you don't have to, so make sure you drop a like, comment and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, cool, yeah, so at the auctioneers now, Greasebees. What I think you gotta do, you gotta go in there, today's a viewing, and then you place your bid while you're here. Then I gotta come back on Thursday if I win the bid, so. But I'm trying to get something because I can't lie, this is a trek. This is a trek to come all the way here. But yeah, let's see what it's saying, man. Let's go in. Yeah, I can't lie. This thing is looking booky, man. Looking booky. You're cool if I use my camera, yeah? I won't get you in this, right? No, I said I won't get you in this, right? Got a little cod bag. Oh yeah, we got a cod bag. Are we in 1080? Couple bags then. Yeah, I don't even know. Yeah, this is junk, bro. I don't even know. I think there's stuff in there. Okay, there is stuff in them.
You're not allowed to film in here?
No worries. Yeah, so I couldn't film in there, so I had to turn off the camera. But I put in 3 bids for 1 suitcase because it had the island flag on it, and I'm Irish, that's the only reason why. Felt heavy, but I don't know, it's probably rubbish in there. And then there was 2 pairs of Air Forces. I only bid 15 quid for them. And then I bid, I think, £20 for the suitcase. See if we can make some money off it, hopefully win it. I see other people's sheets and the sheets were just full of bids, and obviously I only done a couple bids, so yeah, let's see how it goes, man. Let's see how it goes. Well, I had to pay £100 deposit, then if I win, they take my bid out of my deposit. If I don't win, they return it. But I gotta come back here on Thursday, so slightly I'm hoping I don't even win because I don't even want to come back. It's a mission to get here. But yeah, man, if I know in 2 days if I won, then if I get anything, obviously I'm gonna try and flip it on eBay or whatnot. But yeah, man, fast forward till Thursday. Yes, guys, I'm back. So it looks like I won the bid. I don't know how I feel about that because, yeah, can't lie, it's not looking too good what's inside that. But yeah, won a suitcase. It was like £27 after fees, and I can't film inside there. So I'll try and film undercover, otherwise you'll see me with the suitcase. So I'm outside the auction house, just picked up the suitcase, and I'm gonna take it back to the office, see what's inside. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, it was pretty quick, to be fair. Literally just got my little receipt, and then got my suitcase. To be fair, yeah, I didn't even clock the brand of the suitcase, Bugatti. I'm sure, obviously I know it's not actual Bugatti, but I'm sure that's a decent suitcase brand anyway. So yeah, I was chatting to my man inside, and he was saying, oh, someone made a video on it before. Then the next auction, loads of people turned up thinking it was lost property from TFL and that they could claim it. Yeah, they turned up thinking it was lost property from TFL. And then they asked, oh, how do I get my property back? It was like, yeah, put the highest bid in. So yeah, they didn't really, I don't think they understand it was an auction. And yeah, to be fair, I don't know how much money you can make off these. I see a couple people going in there. Yeah, I thought it'd be busier than what it was. There weren't many people picking up stuff. Maybe you can make a profit, pay £27, break all this stuff down, might make like 50 quid, let's see, man. So I'm gonna go through everything one by one in the suitcase. If it's worth anything, I'm gonna check by eBay sold prices, things like that. Then we'll get the total at the end and see if we made some profit. If it's worth under a £5 or something like that, we're just gonna dash it. Cool, so I paid £27. Let's see if we can make the £27 back. First of all, I think the case, yeah? I looked up the case online, Bugatti, obviously I know it's not the car make Bugatti, but the case brand new, I think is around like 80 to 100 pounds. So a used one, call it 15 quid, probably get 15 quid for it. I might just even use this case myself. So yeah, starting off with 15 quid. I have on my gloves, giving you a little closer angle so you can see what's inside. Let's go, man. Actually looking forward to looking inside. I've been dreading it, thinking it's gonna be something dead, but you never know, man. Might find something inside. A moment of truth. Oh my God. Boy. First of all, it's a woman's suitcase. It's a woman's suitcase, I can tell already. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun, man. Okay, so yeah, loads of women's clothes. You know, it's not, you know what, it's not looking too dirty. It's not looking too dirty so far, but boy, this, 0. This, 0. 0. 0. Yeah, you get the theme. You get the theme. It's not, oh wait, what's this? No, I thought I said Hilfiger. Yeah, I don't think there's going to be anything in this, but let's keep going. 0. What is in this? Yeah, I don't even want to open that bag. I think it's underwear in that, yeah. I don't want to open that. We got a book. You know what? I think secondhand books are worth something, so I'll put that book to the side. This could be worth a couple quid. Lotus Biscoff. These are actually my favorite biscuits, but I'm not going to eat them. I'm not going to eat them this time.
It's cross finger, baby.
Okay, so this is the result. We have a pile of clothes, got candles, which I'm going to take home because I use candles. We've got some German board game, which I don't even want, I just want to dice. We got this book, which I don't think is worth anything. Perfume, which, you know what, I think is some cheap brand, I'm not even gonna bother checking. And the suitcase. So after all that, I'll say I'm minus £7. I'm not even including travel fees, anything like that. It's probably wasted about 4 hours of my time. It's not the one. I've tried it, so you don't have to. This is not a good side hustle. I wouldn't recommend it. Maybe pop down and have a look at an auction just for an experience, but personally, I wouldn't say you can make any money out of it. But yeah, I'm gonna be going to more auctions, police auctions, TFL auctions, stuff like that. So let me know in the comments where you want me to go next. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and remember, I'm broke, baby.